Hey guys, Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're talking about email security. This is the number one way that companies' data is being compromised at the moment, and we've partnered with a company called Graphics to provide AI security. And Jonathan, our expert on Office 365, is going to show you how we can add that to your environment and give you additional protection. Jonathan, take it away.
Hi all, Jonathan here to show you Graphics, our brand new email security. This is the dashboard we have right here, showing you pretty much what comes in for a week. We can fine tune it, but this is just what I'm going to see on my end to make sure that everything's being quarantined, passing through, and you're not getting any spam emails. To go ahead and get a quick overview, I'm going to show you the quarantine. Our abilities in here to go ahead and scan emails, check emails, we're able to see what got quarantined, because this isn't going to come to you. We don't want the spam emails to go ahead and pop in your inbox so you accidentally click them. So what we got in here is we're just going to have a quick quarantine check. Always great how fast it loads, top of the line. But in here we're able to see we got a fax from Citricom. Citricom is actually what we use here in the office, so I want to investigate this. I'll go ahead and investigate it. I'm able to see the metadata, which just tells me who sent it, who the real sender is, if they passed the checks to go ahead and make sure it's all good. And then I can actually go ahead and do different things. I can do an original view, so I see what we would have seen if the email came through. It just says you received a fax, nothing really in here, log into secure portal, and that's all we get. And then I actually have a capability to send it to a sandbox, so that way Graphics will go ahead and open it up in a sandbox environment on their end, open all the links, make sure it's safe, and then send it back to us with the results saying, yes, everything's good, there's no malicious hacks, viruses, anything trying to get into your system. And then if everything passes and we're good to go, I'll just go ahead and say unquarantine, or I'll leave it be, let Graphics know, hey, this needs to be quarantined, and we don't want to receive any of that. Now, what you would get on a user side is what we call the employee shield. Employee shield wants to shield you from everything that you get. You'll see we got plenty here because we're out there. We get all kinds of emails. So one that came in was actually a stamp email, just saying, hey, it's because the way emails work is the sender might not be the real sender. People can go ahead and impersonate people all they want. So this tracks who's actually sending it from to the actual address to make sure it all matches up. This one got flagged because it didn't, but I went ahead and I checked through, and it was an actual proper email. Stamps uses an email service to send out invoices and stuff like that. So I went ahead and unquarantined that and made sure it was good to go. But that's what we would see on our back end for Graphics. What you would see more on a personal level is that now look in here, you would have your own custom banner. We have our name, and it'll go ahead and in the subject line, it'll say why it's flagged it, and you have the option to report it as phishing or report it as safe. What they use is a 3-tier system. As long as 3 people in your whole entire organization say it's safe, then it knows, it learns, and it says, okay, I won't flag this email anymore. But everything will be inside the banner. It'll tell you why it got flagged, what it does, and what you just need to do is report phishing, report safe. I'll go ahead and pop open a website for you. You want to log in with your office email. Once you log in, it's going to go ahead and say, thank you for your feedback, we're learning, and then we're good to go from there.
So that's going to cut down on people's spam as well.
Exactly. People get spam all the time, and it's hard to go ahead and cut down on that without making sure, because we don't know, the world doesn't know what your company does in a day. So it's always better to help you make the machine learn. That's why it's called machine learning, because you're helping it learn. And once it learns, then it's good to go. You won't see that banner pop up anymore. And once you see that banner pop up, you'll know that's a red flag. Hey, I need to look at this email, make sure everything is good to go.
So just to recap, we're going to do all the heavy lifting on the back end. All you simply have to do, if you get an email with that pop-up banner and you just say, is this a good guy or is this a bad guy? We take care of the rest. It's going to eliminate a lot of the phishing attacks. It's going to eliminate a lot of spam, and your email system is going to be a lot more protected. If you want some more information, give us a call, 281-647-9977. Thank you.